Now we are at Mclarens Falls. So apparently there's like a free glowworms cave that you have to trek through. I don't know how long, but the girl says we need to wear shoes, so changing our shoes right now.
Down and down.
This is where we are going. So halfway walking out, we realized that it's too far and we decided to drive up. So if you're coming to see free glowworms, drive all the way up. Don't waste your time. And this is the track that you should be following. It's called the waterfall track, or the glowworm track. Oh, there is a glowworm track. Let's go see some glowworms. Oh, the water's so cold. Can you feel it? We couldn't find the glowworms. That's pretty sad. But I think maybe it's a bit too bright for us right now. But if you did see it, please let us know. Find the glowworms. We gotta hit somewhere. So we're heading to HoraHora domain for the night. And apparently there's a big tent, so we can go for a dip in the night. HoraHora domain. It's a beautiful campsite just by the lake. I don't know if I should go for a dip, but it is tempting. And we are gonna prepare dinner. So camping here is free. You don't have to pay, but you know, you gotta keep your rubbish with you, clean up after yourself, and they got a toilet, which is great. I love campsites like that. You have everything you need. Dinner time!